In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to make PowerPoint. We'll start simple and get from a blank browser window to an AI-drafted slide deck you can shape into a clean presentation. All you need is an internet connection and your browser. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Google Gemini and press Enter. Look for the official Google Gemini site in the results and click it to open the app. If you're prompted to sign into your Google account, go ahead and do that so you can use the workspace. Once you're in Gemini, it's time to make the prompt that will drive your presentation. In the message box, type or paste this instruction. Generate a 10-slide presentation explaining a current technology trend. Include key numbers, recent studies, and general opinions. Review how the trend has evolved over the past 10 years. Use a minimalist modern design. This prompt sets clear expectations: slide count, evidence, viewpoints, a brief historical arc, and a design vibe. Clear prompts tend to produce better structure and more relevant content, so be as specific as you can about scope and tone. Next, choose Canvas inside Gemini. Canvas opens a focused workspace where the model lays out ideas in a slide-friendly format, making it easier to visualize what each slide will contain. It's helpful for keeping the flow logical and the content concise. With Canvas selected, click Submit. Gemini will process your request and draft the deck content. Give it a moment to finish. Then, review the output carefully. Scan for accuracy on numbers and dates. Make sure the narrative flows from an introduction, through key insights and evidence, to a conclusion, and that the language fits a minimalist, modern style. If something feels off length, ask for shorter bullet points or clearer headings. If a statistic lacks a source, note it for verification before you present. Small edits now will make the final deck feel polished and trustworthy. That's the full pass. Search for Google Gemini, open the official site, craft a precise prompt, switch to Canvas, and submit. Use this same approach for any topic by swapping in the subject you care about and clarifying the audience and tone. Keep your instructions focused, double-check facts, and let Canvas help you shape a streamlined, professional PowerPoint. Feel free to iterate in small passes, nudging the model with targeted requests like more examples, simpler phrasing, or tighter summaries until the slides tell a clear, concise story.